As a Bureau admin, when you hit your Documents tab, you're able to see a variety of different employers' documents that have been uploaded by you or them. You'll now see the Change Default Order button in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and hit Change Default Order. I'm able to now decide what employer I want to do that for. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do it for Sublime Donut Shop. And then I can also view by worker role, since there's documents for employees, independent contractors, and then all. So let's just take a look at what it would look like to view by employees for this end client. So it's going to show me all the possible documents and just their order that they've been uploaded as. And now I can hover on these yellow icons and move the documents around in the order I want them to be in. Once I'm happy and satisfied with that document order, I can go ahead and hit Save Order. So I'm just saving the order for that employer. And so I can go on through all my employers and save the default order that way. In this case, we were just doing it for the employee. Now let's go back to the dashboard and see what it would look like though. For Sublime Donut Shop, I'm going to go to Invite Worker, and now I'm going to choose the role of employee. I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm able to see that default order. But if I still want to, at this individual worker level, I can still hover on that yellow icon and I can still move these around. So, and remember, I can also deselect ones I don't want to send. So there's really multiple ways to control the order that someone receives the documents in. On the bureau level, you can set a default order there. Employers, when they log in, can set the default order they want. And when you just go to invite any worker, let's say you never set the default order, you could always, each and every time, change the order right here for every single worker, whether that's an employee or an independent contractor, or if you're adding another admin.